All right, friends, quick little video on how to replace the blower motor. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over to the passenger side where the glove box is. You don't have to take the glove box off, but it makes it a little bit easier so you have a little bit more room. Then you will have these tabs right here, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna get a pry bar or like one of these little trimming removal tools or a flathead screwdriver. Get them up in there and pull them down just to get them started. So you can just pull that down. Once you pull that down, you're gonna pull the light bulb. Right here, you're gonna pull this disconnect out. Just like that. Throw this off to the side. And your blower motor is right here. You will remove these, there's 3 screws on it. They are a Torx, I believe a 15. So the T15, if you have one of these kits, it's a Torx 15. If not, you're probably gonna have to go out and get one. So yeah, like I said, it's 3 screws, and then you got that clip. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out real quick. All right, so once you get those 3 screws out, this will fall right down. Your actual clip for the power and everything is right here. It's the only wire that's actually on there. You're gonna push down this tab and pull it out. This right here, this back piece where that vent is, that's the part where this is gonna go back in. This piece has to be facing into this hole. So just raise it up there like this. Throw it up there. And then just go from there. All right, so I don't know how well you could see it, but make sure you guys do not lose any of these screws for those 3 contact points, because if you do, it won't sit flush and the air won't circulate right. After you get it thrown up there, put this supporting clip back up on there, throw that power clip back in there. Anyways, that's the video. I'm gonna go figure out what to do with the rest of my day. Make sure you throw this cover back on here.